Quiz on hygiene and cleaning. Enter email address. Enter name. Enter phone number. Enter college name, workspace. Enter state. Enter country. Question: how many people in the world do not have access to toilets? Answer: about 1 billion. Question: what is wastewater? Answer: both of the above. Question: which of these diseases can happen from drinking contaminated water? Answer: cholera. Question: sanitation is the ongoing means of promoting health through prevention of human contact with the hazards of waste. Answer: hygienic. Question: which is the cleanest city of India? Answer: Chandigarh. Question: what is DDT? Answer: a persistent chlorinated hydrocarbon insecticide. Question: identify which one is the correct process. Answer: wash, rinse, and sanitize. Question: when should one wash hands? Answer: all the above. Question: what is the single most effective way to prevent the transmission of disease? Answer: hand washing with water and soap. Question: what is the reason for drying your hands after washing them? Answer: because germs and bacteria are more easily spread with wet hand. Question: which of the country consumes the most energy in the world? Answer: USA. Question: how can you tell if food has enough bacteria to cause food poisoning? Answer: you can't, it will appear normal. Question: viruses are. Answer: total parasites. Question: the smallest form of bacteria is called. Answer: Kochi. Question: which of the following do bacteria need to assist it to grow and multiply? Answer: all of the above. Question: which fruit is rich in potassium? Answer: banana. Question: which of the following acts as a fuel in driving the body? Answer: carbohydrates. Question: the maximum amount of forest covered area is present in. Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Question: what element is added to water to prevent tooth decay? Answer: fluoride. Question: what uses on average 26% of the water in a home? Answer: toilet flushing.